At GCA, we've been a Micro Focus partner since the acquisition of Attachmate, and then before that, the acquisition of Novell. So we are a heritage Novell partner from all the way back as long as I've been at the company, which in January will be 13 years. And we started doing Novell Identity Manager at the time and Novell Access Manager, so we're an identity company, and we followed that identity stack through the couple of acquisitions, from the acquisition of Attachmate to buying Novell, through Attachmate being bought by Micro Focus now. Unique challenges that our customers have, really I put them in two buckets. The first bucket is regulatory compliance, and the second bucket is operational efficiencies. And they overlap pretty heavily. So with Identity Manager, we have the ability to provision hundreds of thousands of accounts without involving people. So when you have a company that goes out and maybe buys another company that has 50,000 people, we are able to automate that entire process, and we can do it with very, very minimal errors, which is very good for the organization. And then subsequently on the regulatory compliance side, there's requirements around these things. When someone is hired, there needs to be a process for requests, for approvals, for doing user access reviews, and we help set up these systems in order to meet those regulatory compliance needs without being a burden on IT. GCA, we have a lot of unique things that we bring to the table. One of the things that we like to do is we like to align our customer success and our success. One of the ways that we align that success is by doing fixed price work. So we'll actually do contracts in an industry that has a 50-50 fail rate on projects, and we'll do them on fixed price to ensure that our organization, as the consultant coming in, has the same goals as the company that we're doing consulting work for. That way we know that when we're getting paid, that the customer's happy with what they're paying us for and they're happy with our work. Some other of the unique things is we have a very, very good retention rate on our engineering talent. So the people who have worked with us, they work with us for a very long time. We have very good processes and procedures and structures around how we execute our projects, and it allows us to maximize our success. We also have some secret sauce that we put in just because we've been around the industry. I've been in this industry for 13 years now. We see the problems that most organizations, there's a problem right in front of them: regulatory compliance, operational efficiency, security, whatever it may be. So they're bringing in a tool in order to help them fix those problems. We've been down this road with so many different organizations that we can tell you in advance, if you go down this route, these are the things that you're going to introduce to yourself, and these are the potholes you're going to be tripping down 3 years down the road. When GCA creates a strategic partnership with an organization, we're trying to help that organization not just meet their goals for today, but set a foundation for the goals that they're going to have after today, and the day after that, and the day after that. We know what's coming. With GCA and Micro Focus, we've been there, we've done that. So while there's many organizations that have come up in the past 2, 3, 10 years, keep in mind, GCA and Micro Focus have been doing this for 20 years together. So where we have implementations that are older than some of the products you're looking at. Micro Focus has their Identity Manager product and their product lines that GCA works with. We've been working with them since Novell, all using the Micro Focus stack, and no matter what size they are, they get the customer service, they get the support, they get everything they need, and the software just works.